Did you know that your smartphone's camera can help you lose weight? Just use it to snap a picture of everything you eat for a week. Two things will happen when you document every bite. You'll eat healthier foods and you'll eat less than usual. Seeing a real-life picture of what you're about to put in your mouth makes you think twice before you bite. Unlike keeping a food journal where you jot down what you eat after you've eaten it, taking a digital photo before you eat gives you a chance to change your mind. You can weigh the visual evidence and decide, that's way too much food for one person. Or decide your photo needs some color in the form of bright fruits and vegetables. Also try this photo diet trick. Make sure you can see the plate in the photo. Leave some space around each food. It makes a prettier picture and helps keep the portions smaller. For more ways to enjoy your food, watch all our smart tips right here.